In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Teams login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection, switch to a stable network and try another Wi-Fi or mobile or even the hotspot. You want to also disable VPN and proxy and try again. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and verify your email and password, use your work or school email account and check for typos and reset the password if needed. If that is not the case, you might also need to simply go ahead and check for the account status, contact your admin to ensure that your account is active and make sure that your license has not expired. Always make sure that you have completed the MFA correctly. So approve the sign-in request on your phone, enter the correct code, check the time on your device, and it should be automatic. You want to also make sure that you have cleared the cache and cookies. If you're using any terms of browsers, you can also go ahead and update your Teams application by going into the settings and then in Teams and check for update. You can also go ahead and restart your Teams and device and check for service status. You want to also try using a private web browser in order to go ahead and log in if it still doesn't work. And if nothing works, simply go ahead and contact its support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.